Hey guys, today we're going to be solving a Rubik's Cube, and first step is to, mess it up. You can't solve Rubik's Cube if it's not messed up. So, most people, I give it to them and turn around while they scramble it, but since we can't do that today, I'm just going to turn around and you tell me when you're done. You almost done? Almost? Okay. Oh, you're done? Okay. So, this is not cheating, this is actually solving. I'm just going to be looking it over for a moment, please. You can get out your timers while I look, if you wanted. And I think I'm all set. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. I have got all but the last side. Okay guys, I'm almost done. No! Yeah! Okay, I almost messed up there at the last part. So, here it is. You can see it's completely done. And so, I could show you how to do this, but that'd be several more videos. So today, I just decided I'd put the links in the description for the videos that taught me how to do this. And that should be good, guys. You can go watch that. And, well, one more thing I wanted to tell you was, did I get you? Do you think the screen froze? Well, if you thought the screen froze, tell me in the comments. But if you didn't, you can also tell me in the comments. And so, guys, if you like this video, I'm not telling you, I'm asking you if you want to, you can leave a like. If you didn't like it, well, you can leave a thumbs down. But if you leave a thumbs down, can you tell me in the comments what you didn't like about it, and I'll try to fix it and make it better for next time. Well, next time when I freeze in the next videos, I'm gonna freeze at random spots because brain freeze. See you later, guys.